Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we have another Persian dish which we call it Morgh Ghermez or red chicken. So I don't know why we're saying it because it just came from our family. Actually the recipe I learned from my wife and my wife learned from her mother. So that's why we call it, maybe you can say it, chicken stew with the red sauce, خوراک مرغ قرمز, or red chicken, whatever. So let's go over the ingredients. By the way, that's been requested by so many in our party that became a favorite. So it's very simple and also it's very delicious. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. All right, the main ingredients here is a chicken. I want it to be about 1 kilogram or 2 pounds, but it just turned to be a little bit more. Is a 1 kilo and 200 grams. So, and it consists of 3 chicken thigh, chicken legs, and 4 chicken tender breast. You can use any part that you like. You know, if you want it, whole chicken, just cut it into pieces. And or just all thighs or legs is totally up to you. So for making this dish, I also use 2 Serrano pepper, which might be very hot for you. I'm not going to cut it or anything. Just put it in the into the pan and let it cook with the chicken so it gets a tastier. So if you don't want it, you don't have to put it in. Need 4 potatoes. These are going to be fried, just like French fries or something. So it's going to be at the end added to the meat. Have to have 1 whole lime, which I have to use the juice out of this, and need but handful or just like 4 ounces of baby carrots, which I'm going to cook this also separate with a little bit of sugar to make it tastier. We have to have 5 tablespoons tomato paste because all the colors coming from this, and that makes it, our dish. So that's why we call it red chicken. And there is not too much spices, but I do have 1 teaspoon of the salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 of a teaspoon red chili pepper. I have olive oil for just sauteing the chicken, and I do have grapeseed oil for a cooking and just making the fries. I have a little bit of the parsley, which is going to be chopped, but like a half a cup or so for the garnishment at the end. Just put it on the dish. Let's start with the chicken and go making the food. Here you go. Okay, I have a pot with the, as I said, olive oil for just sauteing the chicken. Put a little bit of that into the pot. And as soon as it gets a little bit hot, we start putting the chicken in there. Here goes, our chicken goes in there. Make sure one side is cooked and you see the color it turn, then it turn around. So because it's supposed to be the way that we make it. Okay, and only at this time, later on, only I use the turmeric a little bit for just getting a color. The rest of the spices and ingredients, mostly there's going to be mixed in 1 large cup or glass or something, then it's going to go over it. So we make sure that it's sauteed very well each side. All right, let's start putting our turmeric here. just for the coloring and also the taste. Okay, while our chicken are cooking, so let's prepare the sauce. It's starting with the with the lime juice, fresh lime juice. One, I think, is enough, but if you need it, you can taste it and just add a little bit more if you desire. Going to add tomato paste and the rest of the spices. Salt and pepper goes there. We mix this together. Okay, now I'm going to add about a cup and a half or 2 cups of hot water. Okay, it's about it's about 2 cups. All right, mix this very well. You know what I forgot again? It's saffron. It's a must. I completely forgot about it. Let's make some liquid saffron. Here's the liquid saffron, which I forgot totally. So you have to add this to the rest of the sauce, which is very important for the coloring. There you go. Okay, now this is going to go over the chicken, and we let it cook about like 1 hour with the lower the heat. Just let it cook slowly. Now you see why is a red chicken. Now we're adding this serrano pepper that we talked about it. Without cutting or anything, just put it in there. It's gonna have a great taste with that. Now next, we are going to cook our carrots, baby carrots. A little bit of water and a little bit of sugar for the taste. So let's cook this one. Yeah, just this much sugar. That's it. Let's chop our parsley for the garnishment. That's enough. Doesn't have to be very fine. It's good enough. Okay, we set this aside. Now we take care of our potatoes. Just gonna peel this off and slice them and make it ready for fry them. All right, we're gonna cut these to just fry them. You don't have to do it very small, which I'm not gonna do that. It's just a little bit bigger is fine too. This size is pretty good. So we are going to just fry these and make it ready because, you know, just in a half an hour our food's going to be ready. So that's what we're doing right now. Here we go. Good enough. All right, put some oil, cooking oil for frying our potatoes. Okay, so just start putting this, frying it, make it ready for our food. Okay guys, it's been about an hour and 15 or 20 minutes. So it seems our chicken is ready, our rice is ready, and the fries are ready. So let's serve it and have a dinner. Okay guys, food is ready. Here's our red chicken or chicken stew or whatever you want to call it. It's beautiful, it's delicious, and this is how we ate it. We're serving with the rice. That's the way, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. And if you like to see how to make the rice, I do have a video about that already. You can watch the how to make a rice, Persian Basmati rice. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I really appreciate your support like always. And don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends and everybody. If you have any requests, please let me know. Till next time with another dish. Bye.